So here's the first question of this exercise. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. So remember that for an expression to be a polynomial, the powers of the variables have to be non-negative integers. So let's look at each of the given options. So in option 1, the expression is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So this is a polynomial because the powers of the variables are all integers, x square and x. And also it's a polynomial in one variable because there is only one variable x. So option 1 is correct. Now the expression in option 2 is also a polynomial because the variable is y and the power of the variable is an integer, it is 2. Also it is a polynomial in one variable because it just has y. So option 2 is also correct. Now in option 3 the variable is t, and in the expression we have this term root t where the power of t is a non-integer. So option 3 is not a polynomial. Option 4 has y plus 2 by y as the expression. Now again in the second term of this expression 2 by y, the power of the variable is minus 1 because you can write 2 by y as 2y to the power minus 1. So option 4 is actually this expression. So this is not a polynomial. In option 5, you have three variables x, y and t, and the power of each of these is an integer, but there are three different variables. So while it is a polynomial, it is not a polynomial in one variable. So option 5 is not correct. So of the 5 given options, only the first two options are polynomials in one variable. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.